Good morning dear student. Today we are going to prepare Thai soup which is known as Tom Kha Gai. It is belongs to the Thailand and prepared by the lemongrass, chicken stock, chicken breast, coconut milk, and we add some aromatics on it such as galangal which is belongs to the ginger family and fish sauce. These are the main basic ingredients of this Thai soup, and it is very famous all across the Thailand, which is served in every restaurant. First of all, I will tell you about the basic ingredients which are essential for making the Thai chicken soup. First, we need lemongrass, which add the aromatics and flavor into it. And then second, we must have kaffir leaf. Kaffir leaf is basically a lemon leaves which are used to give the lime flavor in it. And then third, we need galangal. Galangal belongs to the ginger family and it is same like as ginger. The fourth one, we must have the fish sauce. Fish sauce is prepared from the crustacean family of the fish, which we will use in making this kind of soup. And then last we can add coconut milk on it. Then first we will start making the chicken stock. I will show you how we will prepare the chicken stock. Thank you. So here we are going to prepare chicken stock. For that we have taken 1 liter of water, cold water, some onion wedges, some ginger, garlic and green chilies and some chicken bones. And we have also, we will add cilantro. We are having cilantro here. So here I am going to add a liter of water, cold water in a pot. Then we can add chicken bones in it. After that, the aromatics, some ginger, few cloves of garlic we have added, few green chilies and the stems of cilantro. So this is basically the preparation of chicken stock, which we have added all the ingredients in here. And then when the first boil will become, then after that we will simmer it for gently for 30 minutes. So student, here we have prepared the misa for Tom Kha Gai soup, in which we are taking a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of sliced ginger. We have taken the 100 gram of chicken breast, salt as per the taste, few kaffir leaves or lemon leaves we can say, sliced garlic, Thai red chilies we have sliced it, and sliced mushroom we are going to add in Thai chicken soup. And here we have sliced bell peppers, in which we are only having the green capsicum, and onion. So these are the ingredients, and after in the last we will add the coconut milk on the Thai chicken soup. And if required, then we can balance the flavor by adding the sugar, and the fish sauce will be added at the last. So here we are starting the preparation of Tom Khai soup. Then we have placed the pot over flame and added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once it will heat it, then we will start adding ginger and garlic, sliced ginger and sliced garlic. Now we will add sliced onion until it gets softened, and the sweetness must be maintained of the onion. After adding the onion, now we are going to add sliced mushroom and bell peppers, in which we are having the green capsicum. We will stir and slightly soften for another few minutes. You can see. Now you can see the onion, bell peppers and mushroom has been softened slightly. Now we are going to add Thai red chilies and a kaffir leaf, which is just a lemon leaf, and the stock which we have prepared earlier we are going to add. A bit of salt we are adding. In a slow medium flame, we will cook it for another 1 hour, and then we will add chicken breast, lemon juice, coconut milk and cilantro. So dear student, you can see here, after 1 hour the mushroom, capsicum and onion has been cooked properly, and now we are going to add chicken breast slices. The medium of cooking is the simmering, and the coconut milk we will add and cook it for another half an hour and until the chicken breast cook properly, and then finally we will adjust the seasoning. We have added the coconut milk. You can see the color has been changed properly, and we will cook it for another 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken gets cooked. So dear student, here is our Tom Khagai Thai chicken coconut soup is ready to present, and you can see we have garnished it by the lemon, and we have placed coriander leaf on top. So this is how it is look, and it is very nutritious and flavorful. So enjoy. Thanks for watching.